Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get free shipping on Temu. Firstly, if you're a first-time user, Temu usually gives free standard shipping on your first order. Sometimes you'll get also free express shipping if your order meets the minimum spent. Many times Temu offers free shipping once you spend a certain amount and add more items to your cart to hit the threshold and qualify. Now, check the coupons and offers section in the Temu app or website and apply available free shipping vouchers at checkout. Some coupons are time limited, so use them quickly. And finally, Temu runs flash deals, seasonal events, and referral promotions where free shipping is included. Watch banners in the app or email notifications for these offers. Just a tip, always check the shipping info at checkout. Temu updates promotion regularly, so you might find surprise free shipping offers. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe for our channel for more tips and tricks like this.